Atlas. Bye, Scout. Bye, Arrow. Have a great day. Wait, it's so quiet. Where is everybody? Oh, right, they are gone.
No messages from the school. No calls from Atlas. I have 3 hours. Just for me.
3 whole hours. I can do anything. Let's go get some coffee. It smells so good in here. I want something special today. Good morning. Are you ready to order? What would you like to drink?
Yes, I'll have a hot cocoa with extra marshmallows, please.
Wait, no! That's what Scout and Arrow drink. I don't want that. Can I change my order? I want a large cappuccino. Just for me, of course. 1 large cappuccino. That will be $4, please. Oh no, it's so crowded. There are no empty tables. Where can I sit? Excuse me. Is this seat available?
Of course, darling. Please sit down. It's too noisy to stand. I'm Mrs. Gable.
Thank you, Mrs. Gable. I'm Journey.
You look very busy, darling. Are you waiting for an important message?
No, I have 3 hours of free time. But I feel guilty. I should be at the supermarket.
Guilty? Darling, what does free time mean to you? Is it time to do more work?
Well, free time means time to rest. Time for myself. But I always feel I need to do something for my family.
Look at my cup, darling. Tell me what you see inside.
It's almost empty. You drank all your coffee. There is nothing left to share.
Exactly. You are the cup. If you give all your energy to your family, you become empty. Take care of yourself first, darling.
I am the cup. Thank you, Mrs. Gable. I really needed to hear that today.
Now, drink your cappuccino, darling, before it gets cold.
I will. Have a beautiful day, Mrs. Gable. Goodbye.
A nail salon. Should I get my nails done? It feels too fancy for me.
No, I am the cup. It is time to fill my cup. Welcome. I'm Chloe. Do you have an appointment? Or just walking in? Hi, Chloe. I'm Journey. I don't have an appointment. Can I still get my nails done? Of course. Pick a color. Any color you want. We have hundreds. Wow, there are so many choices. I usually just use clear polish. It is simple. Clear? Why clear? Life is too short for boring colors. What is your absolute favorite color? My favorite? I love blue. But blue is not very practical for cleaning the house. Cleaning? No. We do not think about chores in this chair. Forget about cleaning. Look at this shiny galaxy blue. It is beautiful. Does looking at this make you happy? Yes. It looks exactly like the night sky. I really love it. Then sit down. Fun doesn't need a reason. Let's paint the stars. You are right, Chloe. Let's do the galaxy blue. No practical choices today. They look amazing, Chloe. It is like having a galaxy on my hands. Thank you. Told you. You are a galaxy queen now. Go show them off to the world. I love them so much. I feel like a completely new person today. Oh no, the phone. Is it the school? Is Arrow sick? Did he fall? Oh, it has seen fear, Lord. It's just a supermarket discount message. Chicken is on sale.
Why am I so nervous? I am safe. The kids are safe with Atlas. It is perfectly fine to just relax. Silent mode. No more checking the time. Just breathing. I am going to the park.
Okay, I am here. What do I do now? Just walk? Walk faster? Excuse me. Your painting is beautiful. Are you painting the lake in front of you?
Thank you, young lady. I am Arthur. But no, I am not painting the lake. Look closer at the canvas.
Not the lake? But you are looking right at the water. I don't understand.
I am painting the reflection of the clouds. Look up. Tell me, what do you see?
Clouds? They are just white and fluffy, like big cotton balls in the sky.
Look closer. What colors are hiding in the white? Take your time. The sky never hurries, and neither should we.
Oh, wait. I see a little pink on the edges. And some light purple at the bottom. Wow. Look.
Exactly. You miss the magic when you walk too fast, Journey.
I always walk fast. I am always in a hurry to do the next thing on my list.
Look at the details, not the clock. Breathe the colors. You have nowhere else to be right now.
Thank you, Arthur. I feel so much lighter now. The clouds are truly beautiful.
Enjoy your day, young lady. The clouds will always wait for you.
Okay, what's next? No lists, no plans, just me walking around. Wow. I haven't been in a bookstore for years. It smells like old paper and magic.
Where are they? I can't read anything without them. They were just here.
Hello. Are you looking for something? Can I help you find it?
Ah, a customer. Yes, I lost my reading glasses again. I am completely blind without them.
Sir? Are your glasses on your head right now?
Oh. Here they are. Thank you. I am Ben. Welcome to my store.
Nice to meet you, Ben. I'm Journey. I want to buy a book today.
Wonderful, Journey. We have thousands of books here. What kind of story are you looking for?
Well, Arrow likes dinosaurs, and Scout loves magic. Do you have any picture books?
Arrow and Scout? Your children, I guess? But my question was for you, Journey.
For me? But I always buy books for them to read at bedtime. I don't need anything.
Yes, but who is Journey when she is not a mom? What does Journey like to read?
What do I like? I don't remember. It's been so long.
That's okay. Take your time. Walk around. Let the books talk to you, Journey.
Not a mom right now. Just Journey. What did I love before the kids? Mystery. Detective stories. I used to stay up all night reading these to find the killer. I found it, Ben. A mystery book. I am so excited to read this.
Excellent choice. That is a very good story. Are you paying with cash or card?
Enjoy your adventure, Journey. Remember, you are the main character of your own life.
Goodbye, Ben. I feel amazing. The sun is so warm today. A toy store! Look at that big green dinosaur! Arrow loves dinosaurs. Maybe I should buy them a present. I was out having fun all day. They are just at home. Wait, no. I am not buying toys today. I don't need to buy their happiness.
I am the cup. A happy and relaxed mom is the best present for them.
Let's go read my book. No more guilt.
Finally, Chapter 1. Let's see who the killer is.
This is wonderful. No cooking, no cleaning. Just a great story and quiet time. Wow, it is already sunset. The sky is so orange and beautiful. My cup is completely full. Time to go home. Let's play some music for the drive.
Oh no, no kids songs today. That is not for me.
Yes! This is my song! I love rock music!
I feel so good. This is the best drive ever. I love this song so much.
Look at my beautiful galaxy nails. My cup is completely full now. I am ready.
Arrow, hold the blanket. Our pillow castle is falling down.
I am trying. It is too heavy.
Oh no! The pasta is sticking! The tomato sauce is everywhere! Help!
Hello? I am home. What is smelling like burnt tomatoes?
Journey, you are home early. We were just cleaning the house.
That is lying. We are making a very big mess. The kitchen is a complete disaster right now.
Wow, that is a very big pillow castle, Arrow. It looks like a lot of fun. You guys are so creative.
Mom? Are you okay? You are not angry about the pillows on the floor?
Angry? No, I am not angry at all. I have a lot of good energy today. My cup is full. Atlas, are you cooking dinner for us? Or are you building a snowman with flour?
A snowman, I think. The dinner is completely ruined. I am so sorry, honey.
It is completely fine. Do not worry about the food. We can just order a big pizza. Pizza makes everything better, right? Come here, my little monsters. I missed you so much. Give me a really big hug right now.
We missed you too. I am glad you had a good day, Journey.
Mom, your nails are so shiny. They look like blue stars in the sky.
Thank you, sweetie. A girl named Chloe painted them galaxy blue for me.
But Mom, is that practical? How will you wash the dirty dishes with those nails?
That is the secret, Scout. Sometimes we choose things just because they make us happy, not because they are practical.
Did you buy a new book? Is it a dinosaur story for me?
No, my little explorer. This is a mystery book. It is a present for myself.
What? For yourself? Do moms read books without colorful pictures?
Yes, Arrow. Moms have their own hobbies too. They don't just read about dinosaurs and magic. It sounds like you had a very interesting day. What else did you do today?
I met a very wise lady named Mrs. Gable. She taught me the empty cup rule.
The empty cup rule? Did you drink too much coffee at the cafe?
No. She said, I am the cup. If I give all my energy away, I am empty. I need time to fill myself up.
I understand now. You always take care of us. But you need to take care of yourself too. I am sorry we forgot that.
Thank you, honey. I feel completely full of energy right now. This was a perfect day.
Then it is decided. You get 1 stolen day every single month to fill your cup.
Can I fill my cup too? I want more apple juice, please.
Of course, buddy. Let's fill everyone's cup tonight.
Now it is time to find out who the killer is in my book. This detective is very smart. I wonder who stole the painting in the story.
Oh, what was that noise? It sounded like a big pot falling down. I should go to the kitchen. Atlas and the kids need my help. It is a big mess.
No, my cup is full, and it needs to stay full today. Atlas can handle the kitchen. I trust him.
Okay, Scout. We need to clean this tomato sauce. Hand me the yellow sponge, please.
Is this a sponge, Dad? It is soft and white. I can wipe the table with it.
No, that is a dry towel. We use a wet sponge to wash dirty dishes. Can you find the yellow sponge?
Oh, I see. Here is the wet sponge for the dirty dishes. Uh-oh.
They are doing a great job. The house is a little messy, but it is full of love.
The kitchen is clean. Mostly. Just please do not look too closely at the floor, okay?
Thank you, Atlas. You are a wonderful partner. I really appreciate your hard work tonight.
Enjoy your book, Journey. I will handle the little monsters. Good night.
Good night, my sweet monsters. Sweet dreams. Now, back to my mystery.
He is walking up the stairs. Is he the killer in the story? I am so nervous now.
No children screaming. No cooking, no cleaning. This is perfectly relaxing. I love this feeling.
Oh, it was the doctor. I knew it. What an interesting story. I am so smart.
Finished. My book, my me time. My cup is truly full of beautiful energy today.
Hello, beautiful. Are the monsters asleep? Is it finally quiet time for us too?
Yes, they are safe and asleep. Come here, you look very tired. You worked hard tonight.
Handling those two alone is very difficult. Cleaning is a nightmare. I don't know how you do it.
Yes, it is difficult. I appreciate you tonight. Because of you, my cup is not empty anymore.
Really? Does that mean I get a full-time job as a cleaning snowman?
Oh, you get to order pizza, remember? That is your new full-time job.
Today I stole some hours. It was beautiful. I relaxed, I read, and I filled my cup. Don't feel guilty. Self-care is not selfish. A full cup means more love for your family. Remember that.
Look, I have practical blue stars on my hands now. They make me happy, and a happy mom is powerful.
Goodbye. Have a happy and healthy day. And don't forget to fill your cup.
Do you like this story? Learn more English and more self-care with Journey. Subscribe now.